On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a new traffic source that you can use to make money even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Digistore24, you can join ClickBank, you can join Warrior Plus, or any affiliate marketing network that you know. Once you join, what you have to do is that you have to find a product that you can promote to earn a commission. On Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get a lot of different digital products and physical products that you can promote to earn a commission. As you can see on your screen, this is a product that you can promote to earn a commission anytime you get a sale. You can see you are going to be earning $125.16 per every sale that you get. There are many others. As a scroll, you can see a lot of different products that you can promote. The products, they are grouped into different categories. We have digital products, we have physical products, and we have services. So any kind of product that you want, you can promote it. If you want digital products, you have to come right here, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can see subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can promote products under animals and pets, and you can see the number of available products that you can promote. If you want dance and music, you can see the number of available products that you can promote. Dating, love, and relationships, you can see the number of available products that you can promote. So there are many other digital products that you can promote. As a school, you can see under fitness and health, they have about 125 available products that you can promote to make money from home. If you don't want digital products, you can also promote physical products. So when you scroll down, you can see right here, physical products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see skincare and then supplements. So any of them that you want, you can click on it to get a product that you want so that you can promote it. Apart from that, you can also filter the products so that you can get the best product to promote. When you click right here, you can filter the products based on popularity. You can filter them based on earning per sale. You can filter them based on earning per cart visitor. You can filter them based on the publication date, the cart conversion. Any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, I'm going to leave it with the popularity. So if you want, you can select the popularity. The popularity and the cart conversion is the best. So make sure you always sort the products either by the popularity or the cart conversion rate. So if you sort them based on the popularity and the cart conversion, you are going to get the best product that you can promote. As you can see, this is the first product that is popular on the platform. When you scroll down, you can see the next one. You can see they are arranged based on their popularity on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select any of them that you want so that you can promote it. In this case, because of the traffic source that we're going to be using, I'm going to promote this product right here, Tonic Greens. You can see it is a supplement that helps people to boost their immune system. It also helps them to lose weight. You can see the cart conversion is 15%. That means if you get people to click on your affiliate link, 15% of those who click on your link are likely going to purchase the product for you to make money. You can see it right here. You can see this is the commission that you are going to earn, $102.14. So if you get 2 sales per day, you are going to be earning $204.28. So it depends on the number of sales that you get per day. So what you have to do is that you have to always make the effort so that you can get people to purchase the product. Just try as much as you can so that you can get the right people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. Once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can see the rest of the details of the product. You can see everything. These are not necessary, so just leave it. Apart from that, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page, so that you can see the landing page of the product. So click on sales page. Once you click on sales page, you're going to see a page like this. This is exactly what your potential customers are going to see. Those who click on your link, they are going to see this page. Once they see it, they can listen to the video. Once they listen to the video, if the information in the video is convincing, they can go ahead and then purchase the product. You can see someone has just made a purchase. You can see it right here. So people are buying this product always. So if you also promote it to the right people, you get them to purchase the product. You can see the product, they have them in different packages. You can see another person has purchased the product. You can see from Delaware, United States. You can see the person has purchased 6 bottles. So many people are buying it. They have $79 per bottle, $49 per bottle, $59 per bottle. So any of the package that your potential investors can afford, they are going to click on it and then purchase the product for you to make money. So as a school, you can see many other details of the product. Once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to click on the affiliate support page. In case you need resources to promote the product, you can click on the affiliate support page so that you can get to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. So click on affiliate support page. Once you click on the affiliate support page, you're going to see a page like this. You can see everything. They require you to enter your details here so that you can get access to your affiliate link and other tools. Apart from that, when you scroll down, you can see other resources. They have email swipes. So if you have an email list, you can just copy these emails and then send to your audience so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. As you scroll down, you can see the next email swipes. They have a lot of them. So you can select the one that you want and then use it to promote the product. You can use any of them that you want. And these are the images of the product. You can see everything. Apart from the resources, you can also read the affiliate terms and conditions. Some products have a lot of restrictions, so once you read it, you get to know what you can do when you are promoting the product and what you cannot do when you are promoting the product. So it is good for you to read the affiliate terms and conditions so that you not break their rules. Once you have gotten more information about the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. So you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you can get access to your affiliate link, which you can promote and then get people to buy the product through that link so that you can be paid a commission. Once you get your affiliate link, you can use free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase this product so that you can earn a commission for free without investing any money. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is 100percentclicks.com. This is an email list which you can send your emails for free. This website allows you to send emails to their audience for free. But if you want to send to many people, what you have to do is that you have to upgrade. But you can send emails to 5,000 members without paying for anything. So what I recommend is that you have to sign up for an account, send your emails to the 500 people. Once you get sales, you can then upgrade to the premium version so that you can send up to 16,000 members, 50,000 members. So make sure you use the free version. Once you get the money, you can upgrade it. This website, the traffic is coming from tier 1 countries. So if you promote your product on this platform, you are going to be getting many sales. Most of the traffic is coming from the tier 1 countries. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 67.94% of the traffic is coming from United States, 9.06% of the traffic is coming from the United Kingdom. You can see 4.84% is coming from Portugal, 3.39% is coming from Norway, 2.73% is coming from Germany. So these are countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. So this traffic is one of the best that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, login. Once you click on the login, if you don't have an account, you have to sign up for an account so that you can begin to use the website. But I already have an account, so I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use the website. So just click on login. Anytime you create an account and login, you're going to see a page like this. You can see everything. Just ignore all of this, ignore all of this, and then scroll down to the bottom of the website. Just scroll down to the bottom of the website. Once you scroll down, you can see no thanks. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Just ignore all the ads. So just scroll down again. Once you scroll down, click on no thanks. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on continue to members area. Click right here. Once you click on it, you are now on your dashboard. You can see everything that you can do on the website. If you want to buy ads, you have to click right here, buy ads. Once you click on it, you can be able to buy ads. Apart from that, you can also join the referral contest. What it means is that if you refer people to this website and they are able to buy traffic, you are going to be earning a commission. So you are going to join a contest and then set goals for yourself. How much are you going to earn as an affiliate to this website? They have a lot of different affiliate tools that you can use to promote this website, but in this video we are not going to promote this website as an affiliate, so just ignore all of this. What we are going to rather do is that we are going to publish our add-on to this platform. We want to promote a product on this website, so ignore all of them and then click on mailer. Once you click on mailer, you're going to see a page like this. You can see message subject, so you have to go back on the product landing page, copy one of the email swipes and then paste it right here. So you have to come back on the affiliate support page of the product. Once you come back, you can see the email swipes. Just copy the one that you want, so that you can use it to promote the product. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. You can see, just select any of them that you want so that you can use it. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to use this email writing. So what you have to do is that you have to first of all highlight and then copy the subject line. Once you highlight and copy the subject line, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, the next step is that you have to paste the body of the message here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the affiliate support page. Once you come back, start from here and then highlight everything. Highlight the text. Once you highlight the text, you have to copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see there's a call to action right here. What you have to do is that you have to highlight it and then remove the link. The link is not our affiliate link, so you have to click right here to remove it. Once you remove the link, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. Once you delete their link, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, click right here, copy promo link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back, highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on this icon. Once you click on the icon, you can see URL. So if you don't want to use URL, you can see you can select any of these, but in this case we are going to paste a URL, so leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on OK. As you can see, that has been done and your affiliate link has been inserted here. So anytime you send the email, once people read the body of the email, they can click right here so that they can view the product. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to also paste your affiliate link right here. You can see site URL, so paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, you can see you can send to 500 people. So you can see 500 credits, so you can send to 500 people for free. You can see right here your message will be sent to one random member for every credit used. So you're going to be getting 500 people who will read your email and then take action for you to make money. So we are going to enter the 500 here. Enter the 500. Once you enter the 500, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, send, so that your email can be sent. You can see right here your link is being tested to see if it is working. So your link has been tested and it is working. You can see they are sending your email, but it is in queue. You can see your message has been queued and will be sent to 500 members. So your message is going to be sent to 500 people. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, go back, so that you can go back and then post another ad. As a free member, you can see you have 5,000 credits, so you can be sending your emails up to 5,000 people per month. If you want to upgrade, you are going to click right here, upgrade. Once you click on it, they will tell you the different levels and the prices. You can see as a free member, you can send up to 5,000 emails per month. You are not required to pay for anything. As a gold member, you can send up to 15,000 emails per month, and you can see the different levels. You can see another level, you can send up to 45,000 emails per month. You can see the next one, 60,000 emails per month, and you can see a lot of different benefits. So any of them that you want, you can scroll down and then choose it. If you want to be a gold member, you have to pay $97. You can see the rest and the prices. Any of them that you can afford, you can click on it and then make a purchase. My advice is that you use the free credit. Once you use the free credit, if you get sales, you can then upgrade, because if you get sales with the free credit, it means the traffic is the best that you can use. So you have to first of all test it with the free membership. If you test and you are getting results, you can upgrade to any level that you want so that you can increase the number of sales that you get. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.